All right, buckle up, art enthusiasts. We're about to embark on an exhilarating journey through the mesmerizing realm of AI art generators. If you've ever found yourself endlessly scouring the vast landscape of the internet for that perfect image, fear not. Your quest is about to become a breeze. Just picture this. The ability to type in a prompt, be it detailed or delightfully vague, and witness your envisioned masterpiece materialize on your screen in a matter of seconds. That's the enchanting allure of AI image generators, and let me assure you, it's not just a playground for the professionals. It's a captivating and accessible process that beckons to anyone with a creative spark. Now, you've likely heard of the trailblazer, the pioneer in the world of AI art generation, DALL-E 2 by OpenAI. It's made waves with its advanced capabilities, marking the advent of mainstream AI art generation. But hold your horses, my friends, because DALL-E 2 isn't the sole luminary in this cosmic show. I've meticulously tested an array of AI image generators to curate a lineup that caters to different needs and preferences. Let's kick off our artistic exploration with the illustrious Bing image creator, a crowned champion in the overall category. Fueled by the powerhouse that is DALL-E, this gem not only boasts swiftness and convenience, but is also seamlessly accessible through Bing Chat and your browser. The only prerequisite, a Microsoft account. And here's the kicker. You can seamlessly integrate it with Bing's AI chatbot for an all-in-one experience, handling your image generating and chatting needs in a single digital haven. Next in line, the OG sensation, DALL-E 2 by OpenAI. It's swift, it's precise, and it's the architectural blueprint for many others in the field. Navigate to the OpenAI website, input your prompt with as much detail as your creative heart desires, and voila! It churns out 4 images per credit. But beware the credits game. It's free if you registered before April 6, 2023, but there's a price tag for the newcomers. For those harboring specific prompt needs, enter the stage. DreamStudio by Stability AI. Open source and user-friendly, it incorporates the marvel that is stable diffusion technology. And the best part? It's your canvas for extensive customization. Change image ratios, utilize a negative prompt, and let your creativity flow, all at the cost of $1 per $100 credits. Now, if you're the creative soul on the move, meet Dream by Wombo, the epitome of a pocket-friendly AI image generator. With a mobile app, multiple templates, and the freedom to remix your own images, it's a creative haven. The free version gives you a taste, but for the full symphony, there's a subscription cost. Feeling frugal? Introducing Craiyon, the unsung hero of the thrifty art generator realm. It might take a tad longer, and the images could dance with a bit of distortion, but with unlimited prompts and a straightforward interface, it's a solid contender. But hold on to your digital paintbrushes, folks, because MidJourney is here to steal the spotlight for the highest quality photos. Starting at a modest $8 a month, it delivers crystal clear images that might just leave you questioning if they're real or AI magic. And to sweeten the deal, there's even a Discord community for you to share and marvel at others' digital masterpieces. Last but not least, for those with a penchant for time travel through pixels, we present MyHeritage's AI Time Machine. A $12 investment unlocks a treasure trove of up to 160 images showcasing you through different eras. Yes, there's a waiting game involved, but the artistry that unfolds is well worth the patience. Now, you might be wondering which one is the right muse for my creative escapades. Well, my friends, it all boils down to your needs and aspirations. If you're an all-in-one enthusiast, the Bing image creator might just be your artistic haven. Professionals seeking consistent, reliable, and quality output could find solace in MidJourney, while the free spirits among us might want to dabble in the freedom of Craiyon. How did I cherry-pick these digital maestros? I subjected each one to a rigorous test, evaluating factors such as UI/UX, image results, cost, speed, and availability. Each AI image generator possesses its unique strengths, beckoning you to embark on an artistic odyssey tailor-made for your vision. But what's the nitty-gritty behind an AI image generator, you ask? Think of it as a digital sorcerer that transforms your textual incantations into visual wonders. And the magic ingredient? It's trained on a smorgasbord of billions of images, absorbing the essence of artistic styles from across the digital cosmos. And just when you thought DALL-E 2 was the sole virtuoso in this grand symphony, think again. Whether you're a digital Picasso or merely a curious soul intrigued by the alchemy of AI art, there's an image generator waiting to weave wonders with your prompts. If you found this breakdown intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more thought-provoking discussions. Until next time, keep dreaming big about the limitless possibilities that AI could unfold. Thanks for tuning in to Bitewise AI.